Seizing the day is more than just about putting your best foot forward. It is about embracing the hustle, making your mark, and giving every day your own personal touch. The new Suzuki Espresso is all about bringing back the energy and excitement to daily life and reinventing what it means to be inspired. The new Suzuki Espresso redefines boldness and excitement. Experience an elevated level of performance with its new K10C engine with a dual injection system, VVT, and engine auto stop-start that automatically cuts the engine when you stop, improving fuel consumption and limiting exhaust emissions. This is combined with the intelligent Suzuki Auto Gear Shift technology, allowing the system to detect driving dynamics, to automatically engage the clutch and shift gears automatically. Count on Suzuki to put safety at the forefront. The Suzuki Espresso is built with the Suzuki's HeartTech platform. HeartTech enhances performance by lightweight platform, contributes to better fuel efficiency and better driving dynamics. Its smooth curving form disperses energy efficiently for greater collision safety and lowering fuel consumption. The new Espresso also highlights on its new Electronic Stability Program, or ESP, that helps to maintain control during cornering and traction while accelerating on loose and slippery road surfaces. In cases of a wheel slip, the ESP actively adjusts engine torque and selectively applies brakes for added control. For greater peace of mind, the Suzuki Espresso has an integrated hill hold control that is present in the Espresso AGS variant that engages the brakes for up to 2 seconds when the car is hanging on a slope, preventing the car from rolling down the hill. Suzuki knows what it means to stand out. The new Espresso exudes a tall, powerful stance with high ground clearance, a unique and energetic front grille, and distinct headlamp design. The new Espresso also creates dynamic appeal with an updated backside, featuring the signature C-design tail lamps, a new badge layout, and the presence of a rear window defogger. The inside is just as important as the outside, especially when it comes to cars. With the new Suzuki Espresso, you can expect the same level of sportiness and comfort, with ergonomic cushion seating design and a clean, easy-to-navigate interior layout. Tech-savvy drivers will love how the new Espresso now comes with a new generation display audio, equipped with a vehicle information display that provides vehicle status updates. And best of all, features smartphone linkage that allows you to use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as a hands-free connectivity standard. The Suzuki Espresso is also designed to be more practical than ever, with built-in steering wheel controls, an overhead microphone to support hands-free calling, and also equipped with power side view mirrors. Forge your own path and design your future with a partner that is made to take on the world with you. The new Suzuki Espresso, made for the future, created for your next big dream.